Sanibonani babukeli nabathandi baye TV onivuselayo uProfessor Siyamkhulena ngihambe ngedwa ngihamba noBrad KB indoda esahlanganiswa idlozi kanenhliziyo zethu ziyahlangana hlangananga ngamagaya ehlahla kodwa siyahlanganisa ilabantu abangasekho phela esikholela kibo thina abanye ngisho ukuthi bafowethu siyahlukanisa ithuna ngesiphinde sihlukane sino Brad KB welcome to TV ngibonga ukusabela kwakho mfowethu sekumalanga singabonani kodwa namhlanje ngithi nokho kubanda kunjani hoza ndoda
Siyabonga Prof. Yeah, no, you're right Prof. Yazi if nale mina nobaba wami singakhulumi for 3 days kusho ukuthi nami egazini ngiyazizwa ukuthi something is not right. I'm happy to be here Prof. Thanks for welcoming me. And futhi guys, thanks for the response and thanks for the people that have told me ukuthi we've also subscribed to TV. We've been with Toho before, and then those that say we found Toho from TV. Thanks guys for subscribing, supporting the channel, and making sure ukuthi nathi siya trenda. You know, we are here because of you, and we are here because of what you guys show us, which is nothing but support and love. Prof, I don't want to waste time. There's a lot to talk about.
Yeah.
Senyoka is a million. But every time masikhuluma ngethwalo senyoka we always talk about different like categories. Today sokhuluma straight ngesithwalo straight esenyoka itself. Sizokhuluma ngesithwalo senyoka. Prof, why are we doing this today and not 2 years back or 3 years back or whatever? Why boyifihlele lento le? Or why being a poor or why didn't it come out to the public? That's the question someone is going to ask. Bakona bo yellow bone, bakona bo black mamba, bakona bo green mamba, bakona bo ban. Where was this person?
No, Brakebi beka lokakhona ahlelile emadodeni lo muntu. Usuka lo madodeni nawe uyambona nje ugugile. Usuka lapha emadodeni ahleli aloka ngenzela imanga wathi no sengiyavuma nami ngoba siyesibheke kunabantu abathi prof asisifuni isigubhu asifuni into ejampisayo asifuni into ebona wonke umuntu ngathi mina khululekani bafowethu so ngalongena ngale ngithi hey ndoda manje wena uthini ungaye emphakathini adayi ngaye emphakathini ngiyosebenza ngathi akunankinga ngoba angisho mina Brad KB nginikeza abantu into engisuke nga experience akqala ngayitest ukuthi isebenza njani anginikeza umuntu into engayitestanga mina self ukuthi iyabulala iyaphilisa iyabulala iyaphilisa ngoba ngifuna into yokubulala that is why eyami inyoka ngiyenza zonke izinto zami ukuthi zibe ine mena yokuthi umuntu afile comfortable mahleli nento imsebenzela dani ukuthi unikeze umuntu into aqeda ngabe comfortable.
Yes. So Prof, there's a concern ngama ngenyoka. Okay. Okay, fine. Inyoka in most instances, okay, originally inyoka is dangerous. Mastale lab. So it concern that are and question that people always ask me to, okay, fine. If Prof at nayo speti spoko, yena usithema kanjani? What are the steps that he takes to make sure ukuthi lento ayilumi? Is it because of the way designing ngakhona, or what is the guarantee engizoyithola mina ukuthi lento le ngeke? That's the first one. The second one is, what type of a snake is it? Because people keep asking me ukuthi yellow bone, like inyoka yipi? Is it a cobra? Is it whatever? So I want to ask, what type of a snake is in here, or is it different types of snakes? I just want to know.
La black mamba.
Incoming call from Vodacom Nelspruit identified by Truecaller.
Okay, Prof. Uti lento le khando ngecobra. I mean, sorry. Nge black mamba, not green mamba. Black mamba. All right, fine. Is there any particular reason why you chose a black mamba for?
Black mamba kufana nokuthi mayibite nokufa keshesha.
Okay.
So na ekwakheni impumelelo iyashesha.
Okay.
That is why belook ikhona. I would be ngekho. Esikhathi ngikhanda ama yellow bone and whatsoever ngacabanga ukukhanda black mamba ngimfaka isigubhini. So ngokuthi ngilongilalela abantu but no Prof thina siyayisaba igubhu siyayisaba ini wangase yakheli something similar like istick leswa siyakha uyayivisisa istick leswa siyakha lesa sadipanish wangase yakheli inyoka ke ngendlela enye. So ngabe sengiyaconsulta ngoba yonke into yami ngiyaconsulta bra KB mangena ngalemsamo ngibuza le ndoda manje usho ukuthi ngeke umsebenzele KB athi no ngamsebenzela KB ngathi okay so ungamsebenzela umnike uKB in a form of this athi yebo so ngathi akuna problem ngizomnika wena mawubayibona lento induku
yes
but ebusuku yatshintsha yokakhela i-ritual
sizofika lapho alright okay so I'm getting it in the form of a stick
yes
basically okay right so who is the right person ukuthi azothatha lento leyo can I take it if ngiyasebenza do I need to be in business do I need to be for example somebody who is like in the police force whatever who's the ideal person ufanele lento le
bra KB wonke umuntu ozokona ukukhipha i-deposit yale nyoka unalo ilungelo lokuthatha ayidingi business
okay
ayidinga ukuthi wena uyisebenzise bese uyakhama business ngayo
oh okay
and then umuntu okwazi ku-afford hayi ukuthi umuntu ahamba yozikhama kumashonisa nani and bra KB I will also ngisho futhi ukuthi abantu bangezi la kami babuya ku-African Bank babuya kuphi because of lo muntu masekeza la ekhaya afuna le nyoka umnike le nyoka ubuya kumashonisa mabuya kumashonisa amashonisa makuphela inyanga ufuna imali yakhe and wena ngapha unezibhokoza kini ezikuhluphayo ekufuna ngicale ngizicline before lento izofika ihlale ngoba ifuna mayifika ihlale emntwini ongathwele lutho sewugabe ngama-raise ayi-30 then mawuceda ukuthi ufuna ukuthatha le nyoka yokusebenzela kusasa chaba futhi umuntu in hurry
okay so all right anyone can take lento kahle yenzani lento let's talk about what it does exactly
lento ifike ukuphakamise bra KB ikunika imali nemene ukuthi uma wazi inyoka mawufika la ekhaya kunama rituals ezowayenza ahluke kuwo wonke yes khona into ezokugwinya ikhiphe lejule kakhulu le kusinto yokudla khona into ezokugwinya ukukhiphe ngekusini bese uthatha istick sakho yahamba
hayi bro so uthosa mina manje
lejule kakhulu
khona into ezenzani
ezokugwinya bese uyayithatha ayindaba ejoke ayindabani iyogwinya yona inyoka ukhiphe bese uthatha le nduku yahamba which means uzokwazi mara wahlula kufaceana nale nyoka le khohla
but prof kunabantu abathi mina inyoka ngiyasaba natural but ngifuna isithwalo senyoka
akathatha uhlophe hayi la ngizathi uhlophe akathathe uyellow bone or ugreen mama la bra KB undlula kiyo straight ikugwinye ikukhafule bese uyayithatha
okay mina I love snakes I live with snakes so it's a problem for someone so he shouldn't come or she shouldn't come
angalingi futhi abuze nangazo ngoba uyayisaba inyoka la sifuna umuntu ongayisabi inyoka bra KB umuntu ozomelana nayo live ngoba akusiyinyokanyana lebayihakala into le ngeke uyakhe la intami ngakugwinya same time wayihakala intameni vele ithi ngalamba mina khahla ayiphumele ebantwini ihlala lapha endlini ayiphuma ihlala lapha endlini la ihlala khona
okay
yona iphuma kuphela mangithi ngibiza ngezinto zakhona iyaphuma mayifika ithi funa wena ube sekugucela ivele kukuhwahla ikusolowe ihambe nawe yokukhafunela sokuphumela la iminyango ekseni izothatha into yakho uyophila uthi imali yongena kanjani ungasafuna ukwazi okuningi but yokugwinya yona
okay
uqala amabhizinisi akho uthenga ama truck akho uthenge yonke into uthenga amatipana akho uthenga yonke into uphumelele uhambe phambili
okay so the question mina ngifuna ukuyazi here is if I take lento le and nginesigubhu esincane already senzani ngaleso sigubhu even if akusesigubu sasekhaya
no let's group mawuphuma la mawungenela inyoka uyasitshela ukuthi hey lekhaya ngishiya isigubhu le ngisithatha kaMdlalose ngisithatha kaTsogo TV ngisithatha kaDlamini ngisithatha kabani whatever nya so mawufika lena ndoda ungacakwa le into ilapha ekhaya bese yona izodecide ukuthi mayifika ekhaya yes lahla lesigubhu uyizokutshela yona ukuthi buyisela lesigubhu kaMdlalose bhadala inkoma kaMdlalosi ngifuna ukubusa mina ngi1 la.
Okay. So the question is, I take lento le ngihamba ngekhaya. All right? Because this is the most common question. Bra KB, izongena kuphi imali? In my bank account, ngaphansi komphetho, izovela kuphi? That's the question that people
abantu abayekele ukuganga. Akunamali basho izongena accountini yakho. O in abame kancane. Uma sikhuluma ngezithwalo ziyahluka lezi. Fana nomuntu uma umnika inyoka, le nyoka izofaka imali ekhaya. Kuthi kanjani? Ifihlo leyo. Ngeke ukukhombe lento ungafika ibeka imali la iwisa imali asithi iwe nje le mali ithi ngowena uzofa muzi. So ngcono uthole bakubekela isikhwama ufike uvule utho eish.
Okay.
Thatha isikhwama sakho ubeka imali kahle.
All right guys, let's ezinye nizozibuza la.
Ngoba brakebi also bantu
ezinye inyanga ziyangifonela zithi ndoda ubuza kakhulu nawe ungabuzi kakhulu, so it's one of those questions that I think ukuthi I need to avoid. Mzulu Prof izovela the way izovela ngakhona uzotshela mase school way. But Prof, okay, then mangiza la, I just want to know step by step ngizokezwa first before angithi I know ukuthi sengisazogwinywa in the afternoon or ebusuku. But siyakuphi semfuleni ngiyakezwa ngiyacatshwa what I process nje
process yala ihluke kuyo yonke
Incoming call from Lizzie Sasa. Identified by Truecaller.
Angikusebenzi ngemithi yasendumbeni. Vele uma ufika la uthi mkhulu ngifuna nayi imali yakho ngifuna lokho. Ngiyambisa.
Okay.
Uyo uzozithathela wena. Aqede wona nje ekhaya batshela ukuthi hayi sengiyonibona ngalosithathu ngalosibili.
Okay.
Imawuze Sunday Tuesday uthi hayi ngizomnona ngalosithathu ngalosini. Ngisayolanda amandla.
Okay. All right. And obviously uzobatshela inkomo nemithetho afanele bayilandele ukuthi what they are supposed
bantu uyabona lo muntu mamthethe ukuphila kwakhona kuyahluka. Uphila de ufuna ngakhona udla de ufuna ngakhona. Ba complainile abantu ngokudla mara kusho ukuthi lezi ezinye izithwalo banazo sekusho ukuthi sekudla konke cha ngilokho phela.
Malini?
Hey bafuna sikhuluma nge350 la.
350 rand.
Hey KP 350k uza ne deposit i50%.
So it's 350k.
Sidlula zonke ithwale nginazo lesi. Zonke ekudeni futhi. Lazi udla konke okufunayo. But
okay.
Angifuni mfana mina la osaba isithunzi masithi hayi angimfuni mfana la. La ngifuna indoda.
Okay. All right. Nizwele emakhaya. I'm trying my best not to ask too much. Nizobuza Prof manifike esikoleni, he will guide you and direct you in the how much is I mean like what is it that you have to do nokuthi process izohamba kanjani. Please guys nimzwile Prof. Ngicela nifonele Prof because nami ngifana nani angazi. Thank you. Prof siyabonga ke.